Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's definitely been a while since I filmed, but it's been a crazy summer. I had my 30th birthday, I got my driver's license, I bought a car, I got a new position at work. So this has been my hot girl summer, but it's been very busy. And I've definitely been neglecting YouTube, so I'm so sorry about that, but I'm back and I'm really excited. This is hot off the press. This is a birthday gift my friend gave me today. So where I live is New Brunswick, Canada, and if you haven't been here, this is the province, New Brunswick. It's an amazing place. It's a slower paced kind of life, but there's so much nature. Like where I live, there's so many parks, hiking trails. We have like beautiful water, we have delicious seafood. The people are really nice here. If you've never been to New Brunswick, you definitely should. We also have lots of really talented entrepreneurs. So something really cool that I have seen on Instagram before, and my friend Heather gave this to me, is the NB box. So it's like a subscription box, but it's a little bit different that it's full of products from New Brunswick. So it's a really awesome way to discover new brands, but also as well support small business and local entrepreneurs. So I was really excited when she got this for me. I thought it was a really thoughtful gift. And I thought, what better thing to do than share what I received and also give these companies some press, and the NB box as well. So I actually don't know anything about prices. I could look, but I'll do that some other time. So I'm just gonna jump right in here. So the very first thing that caught my eye is this Eclair Lips Natural Lip Balm and Raspberry Lemonade. You can't go wrong with raspberry lemonade. I absolutely love that flavor combination, and it doesn't happen enough. I find like we get strawberry lemonade and watermelon lemonade, but never raspberry. So I'm really excited to try this, and this is actually made in Dieppe. So that's about like an hour and 20 minutes away from where I live. So I'm super excited to try this. The next thing, and this immediately caught my eye because I love chocolate. It actually looks like it's melted a bit, but it still looks delicious. And these are sea salt caramel truffles. They're gluten-free, nut-free, and guilt-free. Delicious. And these are made out of Shediac. So that's like very close to Dieppe. And I can't wait to try these because I love chocolate and I love sea salt caramels. So yum, can't wait. The next thing is this Bella et Moi Dusty Pink Mud Rescue Face Mask. So it looks like it's all full of like natural items, and it's from Edmundston. So you just add it with water and then put it on your face. So I'm excited to try this. You can probably get multiple uses. There's quite a bit of product in here. So that looks very interesting. The next thing is, I love candles. If you guys remember back to my earlier videos, I was always doing Bath & Body Works hauls. Eventually I had to kind of go back a little because my room was full of candles and those candles cost money. So the next thing is this Cedarwood and Moss Bougie. It's a natural soy wax candle, which is better for you than the ones from Bath & Body Works. And it smells very fresh and very good. Like I feel like if I was sick or had a stuffed up nose, I could just go like, and it would completely clear it out. It has like kind of that Vicks-y kind of smell if you've ever used Vicks. And I don't know where this company is located. It doesn't say. It just says hand poured in Canada. So that's interesting, but I really like this. I think it will be good. Hopefully I don't get sick this winter, but you never know. The next thing is this Urban Gypsy Soaps and Stones Citrus Bliss Body Polish. So this is made in Fredericton. That's about like an hour away from me. And I'm really excited to try this. I love it, like especially when your tan starts to fade or if your skin's getting like peeling or drying. I really like to use this. It's all full of natural things, so that should be good. And I'm just gonna open this. It smells like lemon, like almost like a lemon meringue kind of smell. So I'm really excited to try that. And the final thing is the Rustic Soap Company Cucumber Mint Soap. And this is a hand and body soap, and it is vegan. And this is also from Fredericton. This smells super good. I just probably got like things up my nose, maybe not. But this smells super good and very fresh smelling. So really happy about that. So that was everything I got in my NB box. I'm really excited about this because these are some really interesting products. A lot of body care products, which I find I run out of quickly as well. But I'm really excited that Heather got me this because it's supporting local business, discovering new brands. And I can share them with you guys. So I hope you like this video and let me know how you've been enjoying your summer and what's going on. So don't forget to subscribe. I thank you so much for your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.